What's up, everybody? I'm starting the intro from inside the car today, but I have a very special guest today on today's ride review and ride along. So without further ado, let's get to it. Look out, look out. We got the 2015 Chevy Caprice in the building. LSA, Supercharged. It's that PPV, man. Everybody ain't got one of these. They do not sell these to the public. I was just lucky and ended up with one. Well, this is my third one. But this it right here. The crooked officer, lookout racing machine, whatever we gonna call it. But this it. It's a Caprice, not an Impala. You hear me? It's a Caprice. All right, we got some dual pipes back there. You know what I'm saying? Photo. I got the carpet. You know what I'm saying? Most of these police cars, they don't come with carpet. Mine got the carpet. You know what I'm saying? I guess this was like a detective unit or something. Got the little headline up there or whatever. But we got mine, got the back seat instead of all that hard plastic stuff that the other ones come with. You know what I'm saying? This here, the 2015, 14 and up come with the Chevy SS dash. That's why it look like that, you know what I'm saying? Nice little screen in there. You know what I'm saying? Just like the Chevy SS. This thing here, all right, let me see. Take y'all to the other side. I got them weld RTs. I think RTS is on there. 17 inch. 305, 45, 17 tires. Got the exhaust done, 3 inch. 3 inch. I think I got an X pipe under there. X pipe. Got them ET Street R's, Mickey Thompson. Flex Fuel, E85. Let's see what else we got. Okay. Looking pretty cool. Looking pretty cool. Everybody ready to get to this motor. Let's get to this motor. Okay. Straight to the motor, man. We got the 6.0 aluminum LSA Supercharged, man. We got a Supercharged, man. It barely fit under there, but we got it to fit under there. I could have wiped it on down, made it look real cute for you. But I ain't get around to that. Got the Avco fans up here, Avco radiator. This radiator for the little old supercharger. That's to keep that little cool. You know, the radiator the supercharger gotta get his own little radiator in order to stay cool. So pretty much we got them good headers on there. I got them headers, Texas speed headers off of G8, all cooler delete. So everything that's got that on there. Got them headers to fit pretty good. No exhaust leak, perfect fit. I ain't have to beat nothing, hit nothing, hurt nothing. So pretty much this it. This the Caprice. I'm finna go on crank it up. Let y'all see what it be sounding like when we crank it up. Show you one time for the one time. Get in there. Got a dream of having some electric cutouts on her one day. But right now, we just stock muffler. Stock muffler got a little cam in there. That intake, you know, you seen that intake. Now we're about to get ready to go for a ride. You ready for the ride? All right, y'all. The rain trying to start coming on down, but we ain't worried about no rain, man. The reason that I bought a Caprice the first time, my first Caprice, was because I wanted something that came with an LS motor. That way everything could be plug and play. Because I was always having little issues. But I was like, I want to get a photo car that got an LS motor that ride good, that's fuel injection. And so I started doing some research, and I came up with a Pontiac G8. But then I was like, man, I don't really want no G8, man. And so then I ended up finding one of these. And I said, oh yeah, that's it right there. I wanted something that everybody else ain't got. TV, man, everybody ain't got one of these. It felt good to just have something like this. So what over there. Ended up finding one. I was trying to figure out how I was gonna buy it. I was like, man. So I ended up getting my credit right. Got my credit right, and ended up figuring out a way to finance one. That was a hard thing to do, but I figured it out. Ended up financing one. Souped it up. After I souped it up, what happened after that, man? I had took it up there to Daniel at Pro Tree. I ain't really like the job that it got done to. Everybody was liking it, but I ain't like it. I had supercharged it, put all types of stuff on it, but at the end of the day, the wires was burned, and then it ended up causing me to blow my motor because it had like a malfunction, a wire malfunction where I wasn't getting fuel at one time. So motor blew up. I ended up putting another motor in it and selling it. Then I bought another one. And then I already had cam, everything on it. But I ended up wanting to sell it and get another. Well, that's when I found one on the line, online, and one of my friends came up and said he wanted to buy the one that I already had everything that was on the motor. So I ended up selling that to him. I sold that to him, and then that's when I bought this one online, and I bought the Mustang. So pretty much I had got a good deal because I had sold one car and went and bought two. One, this car wasn't running, and I got the Mustang. So everything was pretty good, and now I end up dropping the car off with Modern Speed Works. They end up putting everything together, you know what I'm saying? It wasn't running. They never heard it run, never seen it run, and now I took it to them, and I done drove it back from Houston since then, so yeah, it's pretty good now.
Daily driver?
Daily driver. Be smooth and stuff.
Which one's more comfortable to drive, this or the Mustang?
Well, the Mustang, I like both of them. Both of them got their perks. This car is big. It got electric power steering, AC heat, you know, like automatic start. I got automatic start on the Mustang too, but like it's just a more newer car. Got all the little padding in the flow. You ain't supposed to be smelling no gas. All that type of stuff, and I don't got that problem with the Mustang either. The Mustang is just an older car. It got less padding. It's you know, you can actually it's kind of quiet, but not as quiet as a new car.
Yeah.
It's hard to compare old to new because they wasn't doing the dynomat and all that type of stuff back then like they do now. And then another thing about this car is way quieter.
Did the Mustang?
Yeah. See the Mustang, and it just be, you know, you can still have a conversation. Now, you know, I got 312s in it, system. I was gonna put 612s in here, but I just ain't.
Now you gonna put 6 in here? Still riding?
6. I need to be all the way comfortable. I like jamming and camming. Look at him, he wants something. Oh, he just gonna go?
Yeah, he gonna run that red light.
You gonna go? What happened, man? What you doing? Man, you almost made me go. I thought you were finna trying to race me. I was about to get on your ass or something, man. That bit's hard. You ready? Now you late. Run the light.
He was about to
late at the light, everything. He ain't good at the light. This is him coming back. Damn. What happened? Hey man, check out my YouTube channel, Look Out Racing. Look Out Racing. Look out. Yeah. Alright. Got a new subscriber.
Just like that.
Got a new subscriber.
Boy, his eyes are big.
Damn. He was happy about that.
Oh yeah? So my phone died, but I just got a ride with Lookout Racing here in his Chevy Caprice. He said it is not a Impala, it's an Caprice. Right now, he's live on Twitch, giving them a quick view what's underneath the hood. But yeah, man, I'm trying to grow doing these ride reviews. This was a little different, but we're working to make it better. But here we are.
Ice cold. Oh, yeah, a little sharp ice.